Hey, it's Linda Ferguson of NLP Canada Training here with a quick recap of a workshop we did last week on building relationships with NLP. Relationships are much trickier to work on than just quick rapport with a stranger. You've seen probably other videos on how to build rapport, and they work to a point. But your ongoing relationships are more complicated, and the interchange of states and feelings and trust is more complicated. So here are a few things that will help. The first thing is that it's really important you know why you are in a relationship. What do you want to build? So how do you want to build? What good is that going to do for the other person? What signs, tangible signs will you start to notice that you are building the relationship, that it's getting better? And what difference does this relation make in either other parts of your life or other parts of the other person's life? Some of the ways to think about this are to understand that there are a lot of different frames competing for our attention in a relationship. And at any one moment, any one conversation, there are tasks we want to do together. Human beings succeed by cooperating, by doing things we couldn't do alone. We need different skills to do those tasks, and each person in a relationship might bring something different to the table, something different to contribute to getting the task accomplished. We play different roles, even in the same relationship, not just over a lot of amount of time, but sometimes in the same conversation. And we are both trying to live certain values that are important to us. When we're clear about why we are connecting and what we want to bring out or make happen through our connection, then as we connect, we can use all that wonderful matching and mirroring, pacing and leading to amplify what we want, which means we're going to mirror the things that match our goals for the connection. And as we do that, the other person will also start to grow that, and we will move together much more easily and in a way that is going to be useful, not just for this interchange, but tomorrow and the day after. If you'd like to know more, visit nlpcanada.com or subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm Linda Ferguson, NLP Canada Training. Follow for more tips.